Okay, today I'm going to show you 4 common English collocations using the word catch. So, what are common collocations? Well, they're words that are often used together in English sentences. Learning which English words are often used together will help you to sound more like a native speaker. Using collocations helps you to become more natural and more fluent. Okay, so I'm sure you know the verb catch, but we don't always use catch to actually catch an object. It can be used to form a number of common collocations in English, and these collocations will help you to use English more like a native speaker. Number 1, catch you later. Now, we can use catch to say goodbye informally or to indicate meeting at a later time. For example, "It's been great seeing you again, Tom, but wow, is that the time? I'm late for a meeting, so I'll catch you later. Bye-bye." I'm not necessarily going to meet the other person, but I politely ended the conversation. But we can also indicate meeting up at a later time. For example, "I'm sorry, Lucy, I can't talk at the moment. I'm going to see a client. Can I catch you later in the pub?" "Oh yes, I'm dying for a drink," comes the reply. Number 2, catch a cold. Well, if there's one thing you don't want to catch, it's a cold. I mean, who wants to be sick, right? You can also say to catch flu or to catch a virus. If the disease is airborne, well, you can catch it. I caught COVID last month. It was awful. So there, I used past tense. If I'm giving advice, I could say, "There's a good chance we'll catch COVID in Shanghai at the moment. Infections are very high." So it's something that you can catch. "Sarah, fasten your jacket up. You don't want to catch a cold." Before we go any further, you can get this free mini ebook with great tips for small talk in English conversation. You can find the link in the descriptions. Now, on with the lesson. Number 3, catch on. So we can use catch on to mean something that might become popular. "Hey Lisa, have you seen that new hairstyle that's trending? I don't think it'll catch on, do you?" "No, I don't. It looks awful." So it won't become popular. Here's another example. "I didn't think the customers would like the new vegetarian dish, but it's really caught on." So the dish became very popular. Number 4, catch someone's eye. Now, if something catches your eye, then it really attracts your attention. You're becoming very curious and very interested. "Hey John, there's a rather nice pub in the village that caught my eye. Do you fancy popping in for a pint?" We often use this expression with past or perfect tenses because usually it's something unexpected, something that surprises us. It's something that caught us by surprise. There you go, I just threw in another collocation. So, often you're reporting about something after it happens. Next up, number 4, catch someone out. We use this when we uncover the truth or reality of something a person has done or been involved in. "Did you hear about John? He was caught out by Jill. She went to the pub and there he was, kissing Monica." Now, if you enjoyed this short lesson, I'd love it if you cracked the like button. Subscribe and watch more videos. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.